Hello guys. Welcome back once again. This is KFXGH. In this short video, guys, I'm going to show you how to take a trade and actually manage the trade and make more from that particular trade you have taken. You see, most of the times we take trades and we just, put in our lot size and boom, we just hit the buy or the sell button and then we are waiting for the trade to go our way. But I'm going to show you a secret most people don't know in trading. Okay, this is something that you have to add to your trading style to actually make you more money from the trades you take. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get to business, guys. Okay, so this is price at the moment. Okay, let's say you have seen this and you've already done your analysis and whatever you want to look at, and you've seen that okay, now price is about to move up. Okay, so let's say you want to enter your buy or you want to take your buy trade. Okay, but most of the time what we see is people just put their lot size as I said and then they just buy. You don't do that. This is a secret I'm going to show you guys. This is a secret. Okay, most people don't know, even those calling themselves professional traders and stuff, most of them, they don't know what I'm going to show you guys today. So you have to pay attention and listen to what I'm going to tell you and try it, back test it and see what I'm talking about. Just back test it on your MT4 or MT5, whatever. Just try, take a look at what I'm talking about, practice it, and then you can come back later on and then tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right. Okay, so what we are going to do right now is we are going to take a buy trade, but we are not going to take the normal buy trade that we take all the time. So let's say for instance you wanted to take a buy trade. Okay, so let's say you were waiting for price. Let's see what price is going to do. You're waiting for price to actually play out a little before you take your buy trade. Okay, so this is price right now. We haven't yet taken our trade, remember, so we are just waiting. We want a good entry. Okay, so we are still waiting. Okay, and then we see something like this. Okay, so maybe this is where you're going to take your going to enter your buy, or let's say probably you waited for another candle to form before. So let's wait for another candle. This is the other candle. So let's say probably somewhere here you took your buy here. Your TP is somewhere here, and let me shift this here. That's where your TP is, and let's say your stop loss is somewhere here. Okay, so let's say this is how you took your buy, and then you just went in straight away. You just put your lot size 2.00 and then you just went in straight away, buy, boom, and then you buy here. Most of the times, okay, you realize that when you enter your buy or you enter your sell, so this one we are using a buy trade, so let's use the buy. So when you enter your buy, you realize price actually moves against you for a while before it starts moving in profit. That is if you are going to get a profitable trade. Okay, it moves against you before it moves up. So what I'm going to teach you guys today is, if you are going to use, let's say, a lot size of 2.00, what you have to do as a trader, you have to be smart. You see, in this game you have to learn how to be smart, play smart, to just make your money, and then you are out of the trade. Okay, so what you are going to do is, instead of you putting the 2.00 lot size here and then buy, don't do that. Divide the lot size into two. What did I say? Divide the lot size into two. Okay, so if you divide 2.00 into two, you obviously have 1.00, right? So you first put 1.00 here as a buy. So let me put a line there to indicate where we took our first entry. So our first entry is going to be here on this line. So this is where you take your first entry. Remember, you are going to use 2.00 for this particular buy, but what I am saying is divide the 2.00 into 2 and have 1.00 and another 1.00. So you put your first 1.00 buy here, and what you are going to do as a trader is you are going to wait to see whether price is going to move your way. If price moves your way, fine, wait till it hits your TP and then you collect your profit. But if price moves against you, which happens most of the times, most of it, like 99% of the times, price will go against you before it starts moving in profit. Okay, so for that 1.00 that you have remaining, you wait for price to actually move against you to, let's say, somewhere here, because your stop loss is here, right? So when price gets, let's say, somewhere here, you enter another buy, which is the 1.00. Okay, so in this case, you are not going to have all your 2.00 here, but you are going to have 1.00 here and another 1.00 somewhere in the middle. So let me put another line there to indicate where our 1.00, the second one, is going to be. So let's say somewhere here, our next 1.00 was placed somewhere here. Okay, so let's say we took this trade 1.00. Let's see what price is going to do, guys. Let's just see what price is going to do. Let's see what price is going to do right now. You see what I'm talking about? So price, instead of price just moving up straight your way, price decides to come down here. Okay, come down somewhere here. Sometimes it will even come close to your stop loss before it starts moving your way. Okay, and then you tell yourself, sometimes you go like, shit, if I had known, I would have waited for price to actually come somewhere here before I even take my trade or something. But then it's too late. So what you are going to do here is divide your lot size into two, put one here, wait for price to move against you, and then you put the other lot size there. So here you are going to take your second trade here. Remember, it's the same 1.00 you are using. Okay, you take your buy here, another buy here. What is going to happen is, when price decides to move up, price decides to move your way, like starts moving up from this level. Okay, when price gets to the middle here, this side, let me put a line there to show you where I'm talking about. When price gets to this middle side here, okay, from the down here to this middle side here, you are going to see that your how do you call it, your profit, okay, your profit, you will be at a break-even level. Okay, you start seeing 0.00. That means you are not in profit and you are not in a loss. Okay, this is where your break-even is going to be. You start seeing 0.00 something here. Okay, and then when price starts moving a little up, you see that you start seeing profit here. But on a normal day, if you should have put all the 2.00 here on the first line, you realize that when price is down here, you are going to be in a huge loss. Okay, you'll be in a huge loss. Sometimes you panic and then you just get out of the trade. Okay, so the only time you are going to be in profit is when price moves above this line here, this line where you put your 2.00. But in this case, I'm telling you to put 1.00 here the first time, and then wait for price to move against you and put another 1.00 here. So what is going to happen is, when price moves somewhere here in the middle, you see that you are already in break even. So a little movement up, you are in profit. Okay, so let's say if you are aiming to get you are aiming to make like $100 here at this level, you are aiming like what you aim to get here at this level was $100. Okay, you realize that when you do this entry, what I'm showing you right now, if you do it, your $100 is going to be somewhere here. So somewhere here, you start seeing $100 in your account, $100 profit. Okay, so instead of putting all the 2.00 here and wait for it to get here before you get $100, if you put 1.00 here and you put another 1.00 here, you realize that this 1.00 that you have down here is going to make more money than the one you put up here. Okay, so if the one you put up here is giving you, like, let's say $40 somewhere here, you realize that the last one you put will be giving you somewhere $60 or $50. Okay, so guys, this is how you take your entries. This is how you actually play the market. Sometimes you have to be smart in order to make money in Forex. Okay, you have to be smart to make money in Forex. So let's see what price is going to do after we put our another buy here. So let me delete the middle line. Okay, let me delete the middle line too. So after we buy there, this is what price is going to do. Let's see. You see what price is doing right now. So price moves from here and straight in profit. So somewhere here you'll be seeing huge profit. Somewhere here you'll be seeing huge profit because one of your entries is here and it's making more money than even the one you put at first. Okay, so this is what price is going to do. It will keep moving up, keep moving up, keep moving up, keep moving up, and wherever you want to take your TP, you know, you just take it. If it's up here, or probably let's bring it a little bit down, let's say somewhere here. Okay, let's just wait and see what price is going to do. You see, just like that, TP hit, just like that, TP hit. Okay, and you are going to, let's say this particular trade, you were aiming to get like let's say $500. Let's say here you were aiming to get $500 using 2.00 at this point to this point. You were aiming to get $500. You realize that you have something like 500, you probably have like $650 from this particular trade because of the entry, the last entry that you put here. You get it? So instead of putting all the 2.00 here, divide it into two, guys. Put one, wait for price to move against you, put the other one. The other one that you put, which is the second entry, is going to make you more money than the first entry. So guys, this is all I want to show you guys. There are a lot of secrets to forex trading, a lot of secrets that you guys don't know, a lot of secrets that you people don't know. So as time goes on, I'll be, you know, making videos on each and every one of them. So if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out. You see, all these things count in your trading. They really count. You guys know them, they count. If you are doing all these things right, you don't have nothing to worry about. Guys, you don't have anything to worry about at all. So guys, I'll end the video here. Catch you next time. Bye.